Fountainscape coming out into 2 streams, 1, 2. This one's about 30, this one's about 75 total. Some pooling areas, so we want to make sure we have some biological filtration. He may throw some fish in, some decent sized boulders left to right, but keeping it pretty low with the ground so it really stands out. And then when you're coming in the driveway, by that negative edge going that way, it'll just look really nice and it'll flow across there.